Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate in Ring Publishing. When you first log into Ring, you'll see the dashboard. In the next ones, you will immediately see the last view you were in. The dashboard is designed to be one place to find all the most useful information at a glance. Here you will find shortcuts, content statistics, My Stories, Ring News, and story orders. Let's take a closer look at them. Shortcuts is where you can put things you want quick access to. To create your shortcut, click the dots in the upper right corner of the widget. On the side panel, you can easily add, change, or remove shortcuts for yourself and shared ones. The Content Statistics widget contains summary information from the Content Performance Monitor. They depend on the given website. In the lower right corner, you will find the Explore More button, which allows you to go to the full view of statistics. My Stories is a list of articles you have worked on along with information about their status and statistics. Clicking on an article will open it in the story editor. You can also do this by clicking on the dots on the right. Here you will find the option to edit and more statistics for a given article. In the Ring News widget, you will find tips and information about what's new in Ring. The last widget, Story Order, is a place where you will see articles ordered, for example, by the SEO department. They contain information about the topic, keywords, the website on which the article is ordered, and the deadline. You can start creating an article by clicking on the title or three dots on the right and selecting Edit Story. This was the dashboard view. Now let's move on. In the upper right corner, you will find a menu icon. When you click on it, a menu will open. You can operate here through three contexts: Content, Brand, and Settings. Content contains all your functionalities related to content, such as articles, multimedia, licenses, and many more. Brand contains all your functionalities related to websites you have access to, such as Accelerator, Websites Manager, and Traffic Analytics. In the settings, you will find all things related to permissions for users, groups, and spaces. Let's select Content. If you have access to more than one service, or you work for more than one editorial office, this is where you will find access to each space. Select the one you want to work for now. You will see a list of functionalities that you have access to, grouped according to the type of activities, for example, create or manage. One last thing I want to tell you about are the options in the top right corner. Here you will find information with which account you are logged in. You can check and change the space you are in, turn on the beta version, or log out. The icon with a question mark right next to it will allow you to go to the help documentation or give us feedback. Now you know how to navigate in the Ring Publishing. Thank you and good luck.